Hi students, now we are going to see simplification of incompletely specified function from module 2. Okay, so we are going to solve a problem. Function ABCD is equal to summation of minterms 2, 3, 7, 9, 11, 13 plus summation of don't cares 1, 10, 15. So we are going to solve this problem. This is the incompletely specified function. We are going to solve this problem. There are two tables. First table, in first table we will find the prime implicant. In the second table, from the list of prime implicants we will choose the essential prime implicant. So first we will make a table 1, determination of prime implicants. Determination of prime implicants. There are 3 stages. In the stage 1 you have to write all the min terms and don't cares which are given in the question. So 2, 3, 7, 9, 11, 13 including don't cares. So 1, 10, 15 also. Everything should be written in stage 3. Okay. So you have to follow a order. So first you have to write there is no ones. If 0 is given, you have to write the 0 min term first. 0 is not there in the question, so you have to check where there is single one, so that you have to write first. So 1 and 2 we have only 1, so that is written here. Next, where there is 2 ones, that min term should be written. So 3, 9, 10 we have 2 ones. Next 3 ones, 7, 11, 13 are having 3 ones. The last you have to write all 4 ones. So all 4 ones is 15. Actually this is 15. This is 15. Okay. This is stage 1. Stage 2. How to make it stage 2? So what you have to do, in stage 1 you have to divide. First group should have only 1, second group 2 ones, third group 3 ones, fourth group 4 ones. Okay. Now you have to compare stage 1 with stage 3. Sorry, stage 1 with stage 2, stage 2 with 3, 3 with 4. Okay. So all the terms of stage 1 should be compared with all the terms of stage 2. Same way, all the terms of stage 2 should be compared with all the terms of stage 3. Same way, you have to follow for these two also. Okay. So first you have to compare 1 and 3. Next you have to compare 1 and 9. So first 1 and 3, then 1 and 9, then 1 and 10. Next you have to compare 2, 3, 2, 9, 2, 10. Same way you have to follow everything. Okay. So when comparing, so first you will compare 0 and 3, no? So in 0 you have 0, 0, 0, 1. Next 3, 0, 0, 1, 1. So you have to compare 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1 and 1. So while comparing 0 and 0 is 0, 0 and 0 is 0, 0 and 1 will become dash, 1 and 1 becomes 1. Okay. So while comparing, if you are getting 1 dash, that term can be written in stage 2. So this 0, 0 dash 1 can be written in stage 2. This is stage 2. You can write in stage 2. So same way you have to complete everything and you will get stage 2. So stage 2 condition is you should get only a single dash. Okay. Now after getting stage 2, you have to compare stage 1 min terms with stage 2 min terms, whether all the stage 1 min terms are covered by stage 2 min terms or not. So 1 you can check, 1 is covered here, so you have to make a tick. 2 is also covered here, so you can make a tick. 3 is covered here. 9 is also covered. 10 is also covered, so tick. 7 covered, 9, 11 covered, 13 covered, 14 everything is covered, so everywhere you are marking tick. Okay. Now your stage 2 also ready. You have to divide them as group. So in the first group there is single one, in the second group 2 ones, in the third group 3 ones. Okay. So in first stage you had 4 groups, in the second stage you have only 3 groups. Okay. Now stage 3. Same way, G1 should be compared with G2, G2 should be compared with G3, same way. So first we will compare 1 3 and 3 7. 1 3 0 0 dash 1, 3 7 0 dash 1 1, 0 0 and dash, it becomes don't care. So if you get one don't care, it is not allowed to write in stage 3. So you no need to do further, because one don't care you got, no. So this is not eligible to write here. Okay, now we will compare 1 9 1 9 and sorry 1 3. 1 3 is not completed, no. 1 3 and 9 11 will check. 1 3 and 9 11. So 1 3 is having 0 0 dash 1, 9 11 1 0 dash 1, 0 and 1 is dash 0 0 0 dash 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 1 and 1 1. Okay, now if you are getting two dashes, this can be written in stage 3. So dash 0 dash 1 dash 0 dash 1, this can be written in stage 3. So the min terms are 1 3 and 9 11. So like that you have to compare one by one everything from group 1 group 2, then group 2 group 3, everything you have to complete, and you should write the stage 3 prime implicants. So these are the final stage 3 prime implicants. 1 2 3 4 prime implicants we got from the table 1. So out of these 4, which are the essential prime implicants that we will choose from the using table 2. Okay, so now we'll move to table 2. Table 2, selection of essential prime implicant. Okay, now all the prime implicants what we got from stage 1 is written here. 1 3 9 11, 2 3 10 11, 3 7 11 15, 9 11 13 15. So all the things are written here. Okay, so all the prime implicants are written here. Now you have to write min terms. See the corresponding prime implicants. 1 3 9 11 is dash 0 dash 1. This is nothing but, there is no A term, because the dash means there is no A term. B term is 0, so this is B bar, and C is also not there, this is D. Okay, now this is A is not there, B bar and C, this is C and D, this one A and D. Okay, so these are the prime implicant, these are the min terms. Min terms, actually in the question we got min terms also don't cares. In the second table you should consider only min terms. So 2 3 7 9 11 13 only should be considered. 2 3 7 9 11 13, 2 3 7 9 11 13, don't care should not be considered in table 2. Okay, now you mark first one 1 3 9 11, it's covering. One is don't care, no, one is don't care, so that is not written here. So 3 9 11. Now second one is 2 3 10 11, 2 3 10 is don't care, so I am not considering this. Then everything is marked. Now you check column wise in which column you have single tick. So this is single, this is single, this is single. So these are the essential prime implicant. Okay, B bar C plus CD plus AD. You can see second one is B bar C CD plus AD, B bar C CD plus AD. So this is the prime implicant, this is the solution for this problem, B bar C plus CD plus AD. Okay, thank you.